Now, let us discuss the fundamental rights chapter in Polity Kant. So, in part 3, from Article 12 to 35, deals with fundamental rights. In Constitution, in part 3 of the Constitution, from Article 12 to 35, deals with fundamental rights. They are derived from Bill of Rights. In American Constitution, they are also called as Magna Carta, and they are justiciable fundamental rights. Why do we need fundamental rights? To upheld means support. In polity, we have to use upheld rather than support. Upheld equality of the individual, dignity of the individual means status, and public interest, uh, larger public interest, and unity of the nation. Samanatvam, dignity, public interest, and unity of the nation. And they also meant for political democracy and to prevent authoritarian and despotic rule and ensure liberties and freedom against invasion as limitations on tyranny and aim to establish acts as a limitations. Why? To promote political democracy, to prevent authoritarian and despotic rule, and ensure liberties and freedom against invasion of the state. So they want to establish government of laws, not of men. Government of laws ని ఎస్టాబ్లిష్ చేయడం కోసం లిమిటేషన్స్ ని ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేస్తాయి. Why called fundamental? They ensure all-round development of an individual, from materially, spiritually, all round. Some availed for citizens, some to all. Not absolute, but qualify. అవి అబ్సల్యూట్ కాదు కానీ క్వాలిఫై. Reasonable restrictions which court decide. Individual that fundamental rights also ensure individual liberty and social control. సోషల్ కంట్రోల్ చేయడం కోసం ఇండివిజువల్ లిబర్టీని సప్రెస్ చేయడం కరెక్ట్ కాదని అందుకని ఫండమెంటల్ రైట్స్ అప్హెల్డ్ ఇండివిజువల్ లిబర్టీ అండ్ సోషల్ కంట్రోల్. They are positive. Why? They grant confer privileges. We should use confer rather than grant. They are negative. Why? Because limit acts as limitations on state. Defended and guaranteed by Supreme Court. Defended Supreme Court defend the constitution and guarantee the fundamental rights. They are not sacrosanct. అది పవిత్రమైనవి కాదు. అండ్ పర్మనెంట్ కాదు. కుడ్ బి అమెండ్ చేయొచ్చు టు అలైన్ విత్ కరెంట్ సినారియో వితౌట్ ఆల్టరింగ్ బేసిక్ స్ట్రక్చర్. ఆర్టికల్ 12 డిఫైన్ స్టేట్ ని డిఫైన్ చేస్తుంది. ఆర్టికల్ 12. Article 13 says that declaration of laws as void. Further inconsistence of the constitution by judicial review, that is Supreme Court by Article 32 and High Court by 226. Keswananda Bharati case said it is also applicable to 368. Means Article 368 law made under amendments made under Article 368 are inconsistent with constitution provisions, then court can declare by judicial review. Supreme Court by 32 and High Court by 226, they can declare laws as void. So, what are laws? Laws constitutes encompasses permanent ordinances of governor, executive rules and notifications, customs and force of law, and non-legislature. These all include uh, laws. So this is the small introduction about fundamental rights.